Hi, I'm Jesse with Texas Hardwood Flooring. Whether you're a homeowner or a trade partner, welcome, and let me show you around. Our showroom is a place where craftsmanship, selection, and true Texas expertise come together. For 3 generations and more than 50 years, our family has helped Dallas-Fort Worth homeowners and trade partners bring beautiful spaces back to life. As you explore our showroom, you'll see samples of the timeless appeal from our custom shop of solid hardwood floors, classics, red oaks and white oaks, hickories, maple, and rich walnut. We refinish, repair, and install it all, even offer specialized techniques like bleaching red oak to achieve that clean, modern white oak look without the pinkish tones. If solid hardwood isn't the right fit for you, we'll guide you through smart, budget-friendly alternatives with more than 1,000 samples of engineered and LVPs to choose from. We will walk you through comparing durable options designed for busy households with pets, kids, and real life. Whether you're updating a single room or designing your dream home, our team is here to help you choose the perfect floor for you. So schedule a visit in our showroom today with one of our seasoned project managers and discover the floor you will love for years to come, crafted by the experts at Texas Hardwood Flooring. We're conveniently located here in the Dallas Design District and looking forward to meeting you soon. Thank you.